So this is a happy filter. So whenever the emotion recognition model detects that I'm happy, it activates the happiness filter. And this is actually an AI based filter which uses a selfie segmentation model to segment me out of the background and inserts two different videos. So one video is the heart animation and the other one is the heart monitor going around. And then we're also transforming the whole background with color channel, and all of these effects are being combined in a way so that it appears really realistic and cool. So this is how I'm combining emotion recognition plus AI filters together to create a very cool effect. So this is the angry filter. Whenever I'm angry, it activates. The whole background is being grayscaled, and then on top of that, this fire animation is inserted. So this is the surprise animation. It activates whenever I'm surprised. So no surprise there. So this contains three different animations. So here three video feeds are being inserted. One is the Christmas border that's around the whole image. The next one is the star animation that's being inserted. And the final one is the snow animation, that the sparkling snow that's moving around. So three different video feeds are together creating this very interesting looking effect. So here's how we created the model. First, I created the whole data set by grabbing the images from the webcam for each of the classes: neutral, surprise, angry, and happy. So once I've got the images, I ran a facial landmark detection model on these images using MediaPack. And once I had the facial landmarks, I used a support vector machine model using scikit-learn and then trained a model on it. It took just a few seconds because I was training a model on just the landmarks, not the whole images. Once the model was trained, I used it to perform emotion recognition and it was working fine. And once I had the model ready, I used very interesting tricks to create those AI filters that you just saw. And by combining these two things together, this was the application that we just created. And it's really cool, the techniques, the things that I combined and how it all worked out together. So if you want to learn all of this in a step-by-step detailed manner, and the full tutorial for that will be available in my upcoming course, Computer Vision for Building Cutting Edge Applications. So make sure to join that course by using the link in the description below, and I'll see you there. Bye.